The Carabao and the Snail. One very hot day, when a Carabao went into the river to bathe, he met a snail and they began talking together. "You are very slow," said the Carabao to the snail. "Oh no," replied the snail. "I can beat you in a race." "Then let us try and see," said the Carabao. So they went out on the bank and started to run. After the Carabao had gone a long distance, he stopped and called, "Snail!" And another snail lying by the river answered, "Here I am!" Then the Carabao, thinking that it was the same snail with which he was racing, ran on. By and by he stopped again and called, "Snail!" Again another snail answered, "Here I am!" The Carabao was surprised that the snail could keep up with him, but he ran on, and every time he stopped to call, another snail answered him. But he was determined that the snail should not beat him, so he ran until he dropped dead. The Carabao and the Snail.